It's mid-1900s America. You're traveling US 66, the Mother Road, Will Rogers Highway, also known as America's Main Street between Chicago and Los Angeles. Imagine you're lulled by the rhythmic hum of your wheels and you're focused on this concrete ribbon of highway, Route 66. Out of the dark, you see this tall beacon of light miles ahead. You know you're almost to an oasis for much-needed water, air, fuel, oil, and maybe a blue plate special and a cup of joe. From the early 1900s to the 1970s, this was a joyful, satisfying feeling to an experienced traveler on Route 66. This American-made Model 244 AWP Echo is a 101-point fine art restoration signed by H.J. Nick. Finished in Phillips 66 colors, using a many-step process similar to finishing a luxury car. Features fully restored internal working parts in perfect working condition. Currently, this rare, fully restored and working echo meter is available for your collection at artfactory.com.